Stop scrolling. If you think UI and UX design is difficult, you are wrong. The apps you use daily like Instagram were built with simple design principles anyone can learn. In this video, I will show you how beginners can start learning UI UX from zero and turn creativity into a career. Let's get started. Have you ever used an app that feels so easy that everything makes sense, the buttons are clear, and you can complete your task without thinking? And some other apps feel confusing and difficult to use. That difference is because of UI and UX design. UX stands for user experience. It means how a user feels while using an app. Is the app easy to use? Is the navigation simple? And can the user complete a task quickly? If an app looks beautiful but is hard to use, then the UX is weak. UI stands for user interface. It is the look and visual design of the app, such as colors, buttons, fonts, icons, and layout. If an app looks attractive and modern, then the UI is strong. UI and UX are different but connected. UX shows how the app works, while UI shows how the app looks. For example, UX is like the layout of a shop, and UI is like the decoration of that shop. In a food delivery app, UX means placing an order and making payment easily, while UI means clear buttons and a clean design. In today's digital world, UI and UX are very important. Good UX creates happy users, good UI creates an attractive product, and both together create a successful app. UI and UX are not just about design, they are about solving user problems and improving their experience. If you want more UI UX tutorials, like the video and subscribe to the channel. The UI UX process also includes research, wireframes, prototyping, and testing. A designer first understands users, then creates solutions, and improves them through feedback. That is why great apps are not just beautiful, they are useful, simple, and user-friendly. A clear user flow makes the overall experience better.